A lot of players are saying FC26 just isn't worth the money this year. And honestly, that's understandable. But at the same time, there's still a lot of curiosity around the new clubs, updated squads, and the latest players. So this video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how FC26 can be installed completely free of charge. There are plenty of videos out there that promise free access, but end up sending people through surveys, fake download pages, or steps that don't actually work. This guide has been tested by the community and is completely safe. Let's jump right into it. This video will be separated into 4 components. 1. Installing Steam and FC26 Showcase. 2. Installing the Mineshaft tool. 3. Applying patches. 4. Launching the FC26 full version. All of the necessary link will be in the description below. Let's start with step number 1. If you do not already have Steam, go ahead and download it. Next, you open up Steam and download the FC26 Showcase. We are later going to use the showcase to bypass and unlock the full version. Before we move on to the next step, make sure you run the FC26 Showcase to boot system files. Once you have finished the download and booting process, we have to install the Mineshaft tool that will unlock the FC26 Showcase to the full version. The links will all be in the description below. Once the Mineshaft has been installed, you can apply the patches. Instructions will be shown in the video. Once everything has been installed, go ahead and launch FC26 Showcase. All offline contents will be fully unlocked. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments.